What is up, YouTube? This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we are on the outskirts of Las Vegas in Summerlin, Nevada. We're outside of a customer's home. We're going to be doing a new project here. Again, guys, if you would like to purchase anything you see on our channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Without further ado, let's go inside and check out this new project. All right, guys, welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and check out the theater room we have going on here in Las Vegas. This is a client's home where he transformed an existing bedroom into a theater room. The dimensions of this space are 12.5 wide by 28 long. And then we have 12-foot ceilings here in the front. And obviously those get a little shorter as you go on back with the risers. But this is all custom furniture here, dark colors on the wall, some nice beautiful sconces. This is going to be a great room going forward when it's all set up and finished. Some of the equipment going into this room, you guys like to see that as well. This is going to be a full 7.2.6 Focal. That's right, the new 1000 series from Focal. So he's going to be running the Focal 1000s LCRs, the new dedicated Atmos speakers up in the ceiling. Then we have some in walls, and then two SVS SB16s for the subwoofers. We have the JVC RS2000, the Maestro from AudioControl, the Maestro X7, and then powering it all is going to be AudioControl amplifiers as well. This is a great setup, dedicated home theater room here in Vegas, and this is all going to be home run into this closet here. Inside we have the Strong FS series. This is the 42. The micro fine adjustment projector mount, all tributaries, interconnects, all of his XLRs, HDMIs. This is going to be a heck of a setup. So a little more on this room. He went ahead and turned this bedroom into a dedicated theater space. So he built a room within a room. He's got the hat channels to separate the drywall from the studs. He did the double 5/8 drywall with green glue in between to best, try to hold all this sound in going forward and soundproof it the best as possible. This is already a finished room. All the pre-wiring is done. We've just got to install all the speakers, and we'll be back later on to show you this, some demos when this is all set up and complete. So again, guys, if you would like to purchase anything you see here on our channel, be sure to reach out. We are authorized dealers for everything that you see here, as well as many more things that you also see on our channel. It's important to get those from an authorized dealer. That way you guys are taken care of in the event that something happens. And if you guys would like to purchase anything, be sure to give us a call, and I look forward to helping you guys out. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater here from beautiful Las Vegas. We'll catch you in the next one.